Hello everybody, today is Thursday, and that means that you get to watch my video. The first thing I wanted to say is Lynn, Deandra, I hope you enjoyed your time in colorful Colorado, and you should come back and visit sometime. The second thing I wanted to say is Anthony, if this wasn't apparently obvious just from the fact that you know me, then I'd just like to say you have my full support in everything, and I wish you luck, and I'm sure your application will be amazing, and I'm honored that the people watching your videos are, as you say, the first people to know, although I probably wasn't the first person to know because I probably wasn't the first person to watch your video. But besides that, I'm honored that you uploaded your video first before really telling anybody. Yay. But as we all know, this is a no theme week, and what no theme weeks do is they show us just how much creativity we lack. I mean, I could sit there and sit there and sit there and probably try and come up with something to talk about, but honestly, if it doesn't just come to me on the spot, I'm probably not going to have a plan for the video and just kind of talk and stuff. Also, my door is open now and it wasn't before. Right, but I do actually have something to mention this time, and you the dumb luck when we went to the rec center today. We found it, and I was like, whoa, I'm taking that flyer because it's kind of cool. And so now I've got a flyer to show you guys, and you'll be like, whoa, that's pretty cool. And I'll be like, yeah, I know, right? And you'll be like, yeah. So here's the flyer. Nordic walking. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, if you come to Colorado and join this class, you can participate in Nordic walking classes. That is walking with poles. Is that not exciting? That is immensely exciting. And let me tell you why that's exciting. It's because it's walking in a Nordic fashion. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is exciting. And so, I think that as a group, we should all go back to the University of Dallas at the end of summer and begin some sort of Nordic walking club. And just, people will be like, whoa, look at those guys over there. What are they doing? And his friend, who's just found out about the Nordic Walking Club, will be like, yo man, they're Nordic walking. It's the newest thing. So let's go buy some, like, poles and stuff so we can, you know, like, join the Nordic Walking Club, because they're, like, the coolest of the cool. And it'll be, like, the coolest thing. And then we'll be, like, hipsters, and we'll be like, nah, we don't do this anymore. We don't do this because it's too popular. Kind of like what hipsters do with, you know, Mac products and iPods, and how they're so popular that they're not allowed to use them anymore. Just like that. Just like that. In that exact fashion. That is what we'll do. So who's with me? Nordic Walking Club when we get back to Dallas. And one last thing. Danny, Rob, good luck in Oxford.